thank Danae very much for inspiring me to do a vision board.
I really like the vision board party because I got to do all my life.
It puts you in a place where you feel inspired, you feel encouraged.
Sometimes in life, we need to do self-evaluations of why we are doing the things that we do in our lives. Vision boards are super duper powerful. 90% of the items that are on my vision board have come into fruition.
This is my life, and this is what I do. This is what I want to do when I grow up.
I really believe just by a simple exercise, like being like a little kid, you know, going through magazines, taking out pictures of things that speak to you that you may not even understand the reason why. And it all comes together and makes a storyboard.
It helps you think about all of the things that are in your life that mean something. Your relationship with God, your family, what means most to you, where places you want to travel, things you want to do.
It's not about what you know in life sometimes, it is about who you know. You never know who's sitting amongst you. You never know where your next opportunity is coming from. You never know who has some of the same challenges or walks in life, or better yet, has certain life experiences to help you navigate to get from that point A to point Z.
I came out here with a vision to bring me and my girls out to give them this event or activity to get a vision about their life. And I really got something out of it, creating my own vision board.
I learned so much from just these few hours being connected with other people that are trying to visualize and live their dreams.
I'm at a point in my life where I feel stuck and just kind of in a whirlwind, and I really don't know what direction I want to go in. So I don't really know my vision right now, but she's helped me so much to just get going and to find my vision.
Your job is what you get paid to do. Your calling is what you're made to do. This board has been life-changing. For a board that probably costs $1 to maybe $3 here, has definitely been beyond a return on investment.